welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can earn money using FreeCash. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is go to your Play Store and just search for FreeCash. Click on this one, and if you look at the reviews at the bottom, you can see good reviews, so it means it's legit and you can really earn money. So just tap on install and wait for it to load. Now tap on open, and to make an account, make sure to use the link in the description so that you will receive points that you can withdraw later on. After signing up, you will receive a welcome gift of a $0.5, so just claim that, and now you can start exploring on the app to start earning more money you can withdraw. You can choose games from here that you want to play and make sure to be consistent to earn money and withdraw it later on. I have a video tutorial on how you can withdraw money from FreeCash to PayPal, so just look it up in our channel. So I'll just answer some surveys. It will take just few minutes. And after answering, I received $0.10. So just click on continue earning to earn more. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help them earn money. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.